Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Pet and Family Compound. Another mail call. This is from Whyde Family Farm, Cortney and Dustin over there. And so let me get my little utility knife here to open it up here. A nice bit of tape on the back here. Let's cut. There we go. There. And ooh, yes, cool. All right, so this is the Clyde's sliding garden planner, and I don't have my glasses on so I can't see everything, but it's got a nice set of charts there and dates and stuff. So yeah, I will be using this, and shows different types of all the onion seeds, peas, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower. Lists down a whole bunch of the different things to plant, and it gives you planting dates and stuff like that. And so, and it comes with instructions too. So this is from Cortney and Dustin over at Whyde Family Farm. I'll leave their link down below in the description if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to them. Great family. They do a lot of gardening, so check them out. All right? See you around. Take care.